Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm going to make Palak Paneer recipe. It's a very simple recipe. I'll be making it in a very simple process. So watch till the end, and before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Can you see the subscribe button down? Just smash it. And if you like my video, if you like my recipes, please hit the like button and share the videos with your friends and family. Also, we are going to reach 1000 subscribers very soon, only and only if you hit the subscribe button. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, what I'm going to do is I've boiled water here in a pot, okay, and I'm going to blanch this spinach. So I've taken a bunch of spinach and I'm going to blanch it. So it goes in the palak. Okay, now I'll just add in little salt. Okay, so after adding the salt, okay, we have to keep cold water ready. So it is going to be ice chilled water. So I'll just need ice here. Okay, so now I'll turn off the flame and I will transfer this palak in ice chilled water. So we do this in order to maintain the green color of the palak. Once it is cold, okay, I will put it in a mixer grinder along with 1 to 2 green chili and we'll grind it into a smooth paste. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that, I'll be taking a pot in which I'll heat around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, I'll be adding in half teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by 3 to 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped, along with 1 inch ginger. Okay, I'll just let this garlic turn slightly brown. Once the onion turns light brown, I will add in 1 big size onion, finely chopped. Okay, and I'll just mix it. So again, here I will fry the onions until they are slight brown. Okay, that's it. Now we make this palak paneer specially for my daughter. My daughter loves palak paneer. Okay, she likes the taste of paneer in the palak and she likes to eat it with rice and chapati. So now the onion has turned slightly brown, as you can see here. Okay, look at this. So the onions are slightly brown. That's it. At this stage, I will be adding 1 medium-sized tomato. Just give it a mix. Okay, now we'll fry this until the tomato turns jammy, like we need the tomato to dissolve and turn into a thick paste. For that, I'll add in little salt. Okay, so as you can see, the tomato has dissolved completely. Alright, now at this stage, what I will do is I'll add, now we don't need much spices for this recipe. I just need coriander powder. Okay, around 1 big teaspoon. Just give it a mix. Okay, the flame is on medium. If you see, the masala is drying off. So I'll just put the flame on low. Here I'll just add little warm water, very little, because I don't want the masala to burn. So just a little bit of warm water. Okay, now at this stage we usually put cream, okay, but I don't have cream available, so I'll be adding in full fat milk, and I'll just give it a mix here. I'll put the flame on medium since the milk was cold. Okay, so the flame is on medium. We need to get a nice creamy texture. I'll just keep it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a nice creamy texture. At this stage, we'll add the ground palak. See, as you can see, it's the perfect color. We'll add this here. Okay, so I'll just give it a mix. Look at this. Okay, so I'll just let it cook here for some time. Now of course I'll not waste what's there in the mixer, so I'll just add water and we will drop it in the pot. Okay, now I'll just let this come to a boil. Okay, so as you can see, it has come to a boil. At this stage, you can check for salt. Okay, if the salt is less, you can add the salt. If not, if everything is perfect, we'll start adding the paneer. So here I have around 200 grams of paneer, which I'll be adding. So after adding the paneer, you don't have to boil much, okay, just for 1 to 2 minutes. I will just close this with a lid and then it's done. Okay, so it's very simple. Now here what I've done is accidentally I added 2 green chilies and that's why it turned a little spicy. So I just added little sugar to balance the flavor, but it's not that bad because the chili were light green chilies, so it was not that spicy. But anyways, when I tasted the gravy, it's turned perfectly fine like I wanted. Now in this recipe you don't need much of ingredients, you just need coriander powder and there is no other dried ingredients that I've added. So rest the palak paneer is done. Now I'll turn off the flame, I will just let it rest and then I will serve it in a plate. Alright, so guys, it was that simple to make this palak paneer recipe and it did not require much ingredients. So let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and how you like this video, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.